Good day, welcome once again. On this video, I'm going to talk to you about how it's very important for you to hide your sensitive information on Replit. If you have a token, either your password or your API token or any token at all that you don't want to share with the public, it's very sensitive for you to know how you can handle it on Replit. I've seen so many cases. I come across a repo and most of the sensitive information is there. Like the person didn't even care about taking some of the information offline. So, and another key thing you need to notice that if you are using .env file to actually hide your token, it's still very prone to be get seen. Like somebody that have the right information can still have access to it, which means that the way that Replit actually allows you to actually hide it is the best way that you can actually hide it on their platform, which meaning that you have to use the secret, and you have to use the secret to for you to be able to actually hide your token. If you don't use the secret, anybody that have access to the repo is probably going to see it. If you hide it with the env file, if you are unpacking it, somebody is getting the link, is going to unpack every file that is on the env file and is still going to see it. So now the let me show you as an example. Somebody that maybe that gets hold of this link, maybe using through Google Doc, you can actually get hold of this link. And then when the person gets hold of this link, every information, let's say for example this token, if you have used .env file, the .env file will still going to be here, and the person is still going to be able to access it. So you the only safe way for you to actually not actually expose yourself in the world there with your token when you're using replay to work is for you to actually make sure you're using their secret aspect, which is very easy to use. All you need to do is just click on the secret, put your secret and then the password and everything. You just click on insert and then that you copy anything you want to do with it. So now this is the token I hid and this is the token I didn't hid. So if I have used a .env file, the .env file is going to be here. But as you can see, this token, the password, like the secret, the person cannot access it. There's no way the person can access it unless you have now, maybe the person is now logged in and you have shared the repo to him. There's this thing where you share a repo to the person. So if you have shared the repo to the person can might be able to now access the secret. But if you have not shared the repo to the person will not be able to see anything, any more than the information that Replit provide here. And so the another way is very important is maybe somebody used Google Doc to actually maybe prone and Replit for maybe seeking for information. The person is going to actually come across, maybe lucky for you, might come across your link and he might click it, and if you have dropped a sensitive information, the person is going to see it and it's not going to be a good idea. So make sure you know how to actually implement this secret. I have a video I did about actually using how you can actually implement it. It's very easy. I'm going to drop the link to the video below. So just make sure you know how to use the secret so that you can protect yourself and protect your sensitive information while you are working. Thank you once again for your time and God bless you. Please click on the subscribe button and like my video. Good day.